good morning. Back out here in the California Delta. Gonna see what I can scrounge up. Super low tide. It's about, what time we got here? 6 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday. Foggy, a lot of fog out here. Interesting, about 60 degrees, so far cry from the 105 degree weather we've been having. So yeah, gonna see what we can do out here and see if we can put together a limit or just a couple couple good ones. Be out for a couple hours for all the Delta lights show up, but anyway, they don't wake up till about 11 on Sunday, so just kidding. So anyway, thanks for watching, and let's see what we can do today. Thanks. Well, I brought the wrong cable for the GoPro for my external battery, so we'll see how long my extended battery lasts. Trying out some buzzbait action. Let's see if I can get this thing to go. I haven't had a whole lot of topwater luck this year. This weekend's a UFC frog challenge, ultimate frog challenge. So there should be some people heading this way from there. Oh, darn it. My bad. I let him take it for a second. That's a good sign. Ah, bastard. Little ones. I'm missing it. There you go. There you go. There's a little one. Look at one. Not bad. A keeper. Oh yeah. All right. Little spinnerbait bite. It's for. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, he'd keep. Yeah. Oh, 12-incher. That was a good one. One more last one. All right, that's a good one. Well, that's going to do it for the Delta this morning, about 8:30. Had a good morning, actually. Caught some good fish. Definitely learned, started throwing a 7-inch worm instead of a 6-inch worm, and all of a sudden the fish quality jumped up dramatically. So went from 11.5s, little 12s to 13, 14. I even had a 16. I think I lost a bigger one on that on the drop shot. But yeah, good morning on the Delta. It's time to get off the water before everybody shows up. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.